How to buy ducky token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by the token, check Derek's account and keep following the updates about the token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 11 hours ago and increased by 5,000% in the last 24 hours. So in this token, as you can see, trending number one in the BNB Smart Chain section. So to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet for that. So open your Bitget wallet and log into your account like that. Now after that, select the BNB chain as a network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. So as you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. So go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token. As you can see, this is it. Now just click on it. After that, click on swap. Now switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And here you can type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive the token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy ducky token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.